Alright, what is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods, and today it's a change of scenery. We're back out at the park, but it's a little bit sunny, so I'm really happy for that. We still do have that 10-mile-per-hour wind from the north that I've been experiencing for the past few days. That's nothing that these planes can't handle. Speaking of the plane, we got the FT Mini Sparrow out here today for a Maiden. After the repair video that I did, I'll go ahead and leave that one linked in the description below if you want to see how I fixed this up after completely nosediving it into the ground. Just one big lawn dart, and it fared pretty well. We got it all back up in flyable condition. A few things I did change. I did change my rubber bands to be a little bit thinner, so there should be more flex in there, and they should just break if we get into a big crash. As well as I did change my prop up top. I think that part of my issues from earlier could have been from torque rolling. So I went down to a 5-inch prop, which is a GemFan 5152 race quad prop on there, so it should be ample thrust. But I also have a Diatone 5x4 like the one I used on the Goblin in that video, just in case we need even less thrust from this plane. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing ready to fly. Alright, so here we go. I got my CG all set up. I think we're good to go. Let's just get this Sparrow into the air. It's all over the place still. Barely controllable at all. Just wants to dive left. I mean, I don't know. I think I just need some trim. Let's go ahead and land it and see if we can bring it down safely. That was close. I take these turns very carefully. Just get it in for a landing before we lawn dart it again. Almost caught it. All right, I don't exactly know what happened to my control surfaces right there, but let's figure it out. All right, round 2. There we go. That's a little bit better, maybe. Hates this wind for sure. Yeah, like that was a little roll to the left that I couldn't get out of unless I gave full right input for assault, like 3 seconds. Yeah, like I'm not even doing anything there. I don't know if it's an issue with my servos or what, but it's kind of concerning. I think I got all servo deflection I need. I don't know if it's just with the wind or what it could possibly be. Like that was just a unnecessarily sharp bank turn that I didn't do anything to. Let's bring it in. Surprised it hasn't crashed itself yet. There's a bunch of up that I didn't program in there, didn't give. There you go. That's what I expected to happen. Total loss of control right there. Let's go ahead and check out if there's any new damage, but it looks like wing popped off like it was designed to. Let's check it out. All right, so looks like our fuselage cracked in half, as you can see right there. That's the issue with not having paper on this one side. And our control surface completely broke off. That was probably giving all that right input and it broke. And the wing is still in good shape. The rubber bands broke and ejected just like I designed it to. But yeah, I don't know what to do with this airplane, I guess. It's a hopeless cause. So I guess we're gonna scrap it and see what happens for later. But for now, I'm kind of disappointed. We're gonna have to find something else to build with this. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.